Hey guys, this is J-Rod LC08 with Blowout Cards. This is a quick recap of a case break for 2011 Topps Lineage. Had a pretty good little break. I'm going to run through the hits for you real quick. $500 a case, this was a no-brainer. You can get a whole team for 20 bucks, so it was a fun little break, cheap, and produced some pretty good hits. Let's go through these mini relics. To start, Felix Hernandez with the Mariners, jersey. Madison Bumgarner, Giants jersey. Jose Reyes. This one was dinged up on the corner. See if I can get it to focus. Maybe not. There it goes. Dinged up on the corner, and it had a little issue in the top right corner. Bat relic, BJ Upton jersey. Alexi Ramirez jersey. Carlos Gonzalez for the Rockies jersey with a little purple pinstripe there. Another Ramirez jersey. White Sox. David Wright jersey. Jim Palmer jersey relic. And Aramis Ramirez for the Cubs jersey. So those were our mini relics. On to the autos. Before we get to the autos, let me just run through these box loaders real quick. Joey Votto, tall. These are all the tall box loaders. Evan Longoria, Joe Mauer, Buster Posey, Tim Lincecum, Ryan Braun, Derek Jeter, Albert Pujols, David Wright, and Miguel Cabrera. That was one slot. Somebody got all these in one slot, so it was a pretty decent slot to have. These aren't too prominent on eBay, so. Okay, on to the autos. First up, McCutchen Redemption. It's a pretty good one. McCutchen for the Pirates. Myron Ginsberg, Detroit Tigers. Ike Davis for the Mets. Michael Morse, Nats. David DeJesus for the A's. Fernando Rodney for the Angels. Another Michael Morse for the Nats. Johnny Gomes for the Reds. Matty Harrison for the Rangers. Jason Mott for the Cardinals. Ty Wigington, Rockies. And a couple of autographed rookie reprints. Ben Kessler on card auto. Mr. E to the World Series. Kung Fu Panda, Pablo Sandoval. Rookie reprint auto. Pretty sweet. For the old guys, Monty Irvin came up twice. Monty Irvin for the New York Giants. So that'll be another San Fran spot. Auto. Cubbies, Roy Smalley. Virgil Trucks for the Tigers. Don Linhart for the Red Sox. And what about a Vernon Law for the Pirates? Vernon Law was one of the older ones in the break. He was 92 years old. I'm going to set this back one down. We'll go that last. Right now, I'm going to show you this pretty sweet Josh Hamilton that we pulled. Lineograph, number to 99. See if we can get a focus on that. There it is, 10 of 99. Josh Hamilton Lineograph. Now with the Angels, but it's a go to the Rangers. And last but not least, the case hit. These are supposed to pop up one in every 3 cases, so we got a pretty good case. What about a Canary rookie auto? Daniel Hudson for the White Sox. Pretty sweet card. Good centering. Nice bold autograph. Numbered 4 of 10. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining the break. I'm going to put another Lineage break up in the testing waters if anybody wants to join. It's an easy $20 spot. You ought to be able to pay for your slot with just with all your base and all your inserts, to be honest, because a whole team's worth of base and inserts should easily bring 20 bucks on eBay. Thanks for watching.